In the Horsley area, if you've noticed your garage door isn't opening or closing smoothly, it might be due to worn or broken cables. These cables are crucial for the proper operation of your garage door, helping to lift and lower it safely. When they fray or break, it can lead to serious malfunctions and even pose safety risks. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Call our expert team at 0409-774-111 for prompt and professional garage door repair. We specialize in fixing broken cables and ensuring your garage door operates smoothly and safely. For trusted garage door service in Horsley, give us a call today.